Welcome back guys. In this video we are going to discuss about how to deploy your project in Firebase. Actually, Firebase is a Google cloud storage platform where you can deploy your projects freely. All you have to do is just create a free account over there by using your Gmail. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to deploy this nice project in Firebase. So if you want to create your own portfolio just like this, I dropped the video link in the description box, so kindly have a look at it. So first of all, we have to create a proper folder structure. Make sure all your project files, all your necessary files, it should be inside the public folder. So create a public folder and keep all your files inside the public folder. Once it's done, you need to go to the Google search engine and search for Firebase and click this link, firebase.google.com. So click over here. It will takes you to Firebase landing page. So initially, if you don't have any account in Firebase, you just need to use your Gmail to create a free account over there. Then you can see this landing page like this. From here, you need to go to console, click the console. That will takes you to the project dashboard. From there, you need to create a new project. So click the add project and create a project for yourself. So project portfolio YouTube. Use the proper naming conventions, and you can use your own name or you can use your personalized name, that's up to you. So I created the project as project portfolio YouTube. So hit create. So this project by default it's enable all the Google Analytics for this project, so I don't want this. If you want, you can keep it, but if you're hosting it, you should enable it. But right now I just disable it and create the project. So this will take few seconds to create the project. In the meanwhile, if you want to deploy your project, you need to make sure that you already have the Node.js in your machine. So if you don't have Node.js, just go to their official page and download the recommended version. So currently it's 16.13 and 17.0. maybe at the time of you watching this video guys, this version might be different. So always download the recommended versions because we don't want any unwanted trouble while doing this process. So download the recommended version. I already installed the Node.js, so I don't need to worry about it. So click continue. So now this is the project dashboard, and here it has lots of settings and configurations like Firebase database, real-time database, storage, and all those things. And these are the different configurations and settings for your project. But these things are not for this video. This video we are going to discuss only about hosting. So for hosting, you need to create an app. So first create the web app. So click here and create an app for your Firebase project. So you can use the same name for that as your project name. So I'll create portfolio portfolio YouTube. It's take a few seconds, just a second. Yeah, once it's done, you need to install the Firebase tools in your machine. So copy this command and execute in your terminal. That will install all the necessary Firebase tools and libraries in your Node package manager. Then you can run a simple command to deploy your projects. So once it's done, just click continue to console. So now we need to go to hosting, click hosting. So click get started. So after that, you need to copy this command npm install Firebase tools. So copy this command. Once you install the Firebase, you need to install the Firebase tools, and it should, because we need to install these tools, then only we can deploy your project by command line interface. So copy this and paste it in your terminal over here and install that. It will take few minutes. Once it's done, click next. You need to log in. So copy this and paste it here. Firebase will load and it will ask your email address and your password for that email address. Then you are good to go. After that, just copy this you need to open your project folder. This is my project folder. Open this project folder in your terminal. So let me open it again. Command prompt, E drive, trainings, HTML, web app, web app, and then portfolio, and then code. So this is my project folder. So first I need to initialize this project. So Firebase initialize, Firebase init. So either type the command or copy it and paste it over here, Firebase init. So this might take few seconds or a minute to initialize your project. Okay, for first time if you're doing, it might take a few seconds or a few minutes, so just be patient and wait until you see the screen. Once it's done, press Y to proceed. So now here, use your arrow keys to move down and use your space to select the option. So we need to select the option like hosting, configuration, configure files for Firebase hosting, and optionally set up GitHub action deploys. So select this option, press spacebar and press enter. Now we need to use an existing project which we already created, so select that option by using spacebar and press enter. Now it will shows you the list of projects. So this is the project which I created now, project portfolio YouTube. So select the project by space and press enter. So now first thing, what it's asking, what do you want to do? Use your public directories, because we already pushed all our necessary files into the public directory. So press enter. Now it will ask you to configure all the extra pages as a single page website. Already I'm having as a single page website only, so I'll press if you want to configure as a single page website, you can press S, or if you don't want it, press no. So I'll just select no and no. Okay, so it's showing public index.html is already existed. Do you want to overwrite it? Nope. And now our Firebase is done. Now we need to deploy it. So after this, if you click next, just you need to copy this Firebase deploy. So that will start deploying your project in a second. So it started deploying our project. It's copying all the files which is inside the public folder. And it's done. So this is the link of your project. So copy it and then paste it, and here we go. And now our project is live. So this is how you can deploy your any project in your Firebase, and you can share these links to your friends and your colleagues, to anyone. So if you like this video, share this friends and leave a like for this video.